Order filled.
Alright, yes guys, welcome back to another video. So, as you guys can see, we did take a win inside of the London macro. And to sort of explain what the situation was, so this entry looks scuffed, and the reason for that is because we originally did take a short, but then it was invalid because the price was trading into a 15-minute bullish gap, so it actually neutralized the bias. But then price then traded back into a 1-hour bearish gap, and then it actually turned the bias bearish. So this was valid to take, but by the time I could actually calculate my position size, I got filled at a way higher point, and then I ran my stop to 2 previous highs. So it was calm because it was protected by around 3 bearish order blocks. So you can see price delivering off those points. As of now, we have no point to even trail our stops or to even go break even. So we're just letting the trade run. And as for the rest of the day, we took a break even, which actually should have been a win. The stop placement was, it wasn't correct. Ran it too far low. I should have ran it to the recent low. And then when looking at the next macro, we then took a loss, so that was minus 1R. And then the macro after that, we then took a trailed stop loss, so that was like minus 0.1R. So overall on the day, plus 0.9R, so near to 1R, but 0.9R. So yeah, that leaves me up around $2,900 on the day, which isn't terrible, but it's definitely not, it's not anything crazy, that's like what I risk per trade. So that's why, on this trade I obviously made around 6k, but on the day I actually made 2.9, so that's why the title would be day trading making 2,900. So yeah, again, we're taking this live on a Discord. Everything is taken live. I mean, you won't find another person who's really taking all their executions live on stream. I mean, you will find people, but explaining it all as well. So if you do want to get inside of that, the link will be in the bio. But apart from that, let's explain this trade, how we're going through so far. So we can see at this first low, I'm looking to trail my stop above the previous high. So there we go. Price takes the first low, so then we trail stops to the previous high, and then it takes the next low, so I trailed it again, and then price takes break even, so then I trailed my stop to my entry point. So then from here, I'm expecting price to accelerate lower, not to come back to my entry point. It did get very close, but then we saw the acceleration lower towards final TP. I was aware of where final objective was on ES. So if ES did take that point, then that's when I would have got out for fully out of that position on NASDAQ. So looking at this trade as well is very clear. I've seen these type of trades many times. Well, not this kind of entry, this kind of scuffed entry. I think this is the most scuffed trade I've ever taken. But it was very clear where price was looking to draw to. So I was very confident that this was going to go and run all the way to final TP. So I hope you guys have enjoyed, and more to come this month. Take it easy.
Order filled.